TOPMAG industrial clusters are located all over the world. Domestic, we have Sichuan on Hui, Ningbo branch, and Shenzhen office headquarters. Ferrite magnet tile production distribution is located in Sichuan Mianzhu City. Sichuan Xinheng and TOPMAG jointly developed, striving for excellence.
This is the core production base of TOPMAG Ferrite segment magnet, dedicated to manufacturing for 20 years. Hundreds of skilled workers work in coordination with the fully automatic production line, strictly controlling the 32 processes from raw materials to finished products. The annual production capacity covers the demands of multiple fields such as industry, new energy, electronics, and healthcare. We provide you with the whole process of fine service. From the very beginning of ingredient selection, we have been striving for excellence. Our over several hundred square meters of material storage area is always ready for blending. Purity determines the starting point of quality. We select high-quality iron oxide and rare earth materials, and use the intelligent formulation system to accurately mix, like a magnet tile with high-precision navigation, to ensure that each batch of materials is perfectly consistent. Dozens of large ball mills are used for precise grinding, and the craftsmanship is extremely exquisite. Through the planetary precision grinding process to achieve molecular crushing, ultra-high specific surface area powder, to ensure accurate magnetic crystal arrangement, lay the foundation for subsequent magnetic performance breakthrough. We have top-notch machines in the industry for the pressing and forming process. Driven by 1,000 tons of intelligent stamping system, we realize molecular-level dense molding through servo closed-loop control, and the accuracy of the arc of the magnet exceeds the Japanese JIS C2502 standard, providing zero-gap matching guarantee for motor assembly. Before sintering, the products will enter the pre-sintering area to air dry for better sintering. During the sintering process, we strictly control and strive to keep the indicators stable every time. Under precision gradient temperature control, the material completes crystal reconstruction and forms a compact spinel structure, and the BR value continues to maintain the industry benchmark level. Before the fine processing, we will have professional technicians debug the grinding wheel to ensure stable operation. The aerospace-grade precision grinding process and real-time laser tracking system are used to realize atomic-level assembly tolerance and ensure zero friction coupling between the magnet and the motor. The intelligent sorting system equipped with nanoscale sensing matrix can synchronously capture the full-dimensional defect signal, realize the millisecond sorting decision of photon-level response, and build a quality defense line beyond the limit of human vision. Through the dual escort of intelligent magnetic flux detection system and AI dynamic sorting technology, each ferrite segment is guaranteed under the industry's top magnetic energy product performance. In the ultra-high intensity pulse magnetic field environment, the multidimensional magnetic flux closed-loop control technology is used to realize the nanoscale magnetic domain orientation locking and ensure that each tile can achieve a perfect magnetization vector with zero angle deviation. From raw materials to finished products, with 218 quality control nodes and the perfect collaboration of hundreds of professional artisans and intelligent production lines, TOPMAG is providing magnetic material solutions to over 500 industry leaders worldwide. We ensure rapid loading and stable shipment. TOPMAG has always been a place where creativity meets success, transforming thoughts into action. We have internal capabilities from raw materials to final products. A strong R&D team and intelligent production are perfect, coordinated to create a cutting-edge process for each ferrite type, precise tolerance, professional optical profile projector inspection. We have a wide range of application products and a variety of parameters. To learn more, contact TOPMAG's team of experts. More full range of products and specifications are welcome to consult us. We have dozens of patents and certificates of honor, and our products strictly follow international standards. Choosing TOPMAG means choosing success. Welcome to contact us.